Okay, here we are guys, now starting our next little test video to test out our new microphone, our new screen on the GoPro 3,
yes,
and our new computer with the new editing software,
yes. And we have a new computer
as well to see how we're going to do subtitles o cómo va a ser los subtítulos por nuestros videos. Okay, now we're here in the house. Just going to have a little practice run, see how everything sounds at the microphone firstly.
And then it's me gonna just draw this just sitting and watch me draw Huggy Wuggy.
That's good, that's right. Bueno, entonces vamos a ver cómo va a terminar este video. Ven.
Let's go.
Here we go, guys. Coming out. Testing what Ethan's doing. Come back in. Now let's go back in here. See how our microphone is going to handle soon. And you see what we got here, guys. Boom. It's a brand new iMac. Turn it on somewhere here. Let's see. There we are. Look at that. Yeah. Brand new computer so we can do our editing on. Come back through here, through our lovely little house. Millie's just preparing everything. Saluda cámara, mami. Well, la mujer misteriosa. Doesn't like to show her face too much. I think maybe we'll go in here now for a little bit. You need to color it in?
Yes.
Alright.
I need red.
You need red.
It's so hard to get red down the bottom. It's too hard.
Well, let's see. Can you find it?
Nope.
Why don't you tip them out and try and find red that way? No?
Nope.
Right, you got it?
Yep.
Show me red. Hold it up. Ding! Red. Well done, bro. Good job. You make it. What are you going to do? Red mouth?
Yes.
That's amazing, bro. That's very good. Let's see it. That is the coolest Huggy Wuggy ever. Is he going to have eyes?
Yes.
What, red eyes?
Red and creepy.
Red and creepy. Very good. Thanks for that, bro.
Now I need to do your sharp teeth.
Okay, you draw your sharp teeth. I think that's it now. I'm going to see how that works.
Okay, Shannon,
All right, buddy.